Good morning to all. I am Parthiban from MAM School of Engineering, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. My topic is conduction, which is from heat and mass transfer. Heat transfer can be defined as transmission of energy from one region to another region due to temperature difference. Modes of heat transfer: conduction, convection, radiation. Thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity is defined as the ability of a substance to conduct heat. Fourier law of conduction. The rate of heat conduction is proportional to the area measured normal to the direction of heat flow and to the temperature gradient in that direction. Q equal to minus Ka dt by dx. Now we have discussed about the heat conduction equation for the Cartesian coordinates. The basic form of heat conduction equation is obtained by applying the first law of thermodynamics, which is the principle of conservation of energy. Okay. Consider a differential elements in Cartesian coordinates. The energy balance for the differential element can be written as follow: rate of heat conduction at xyz minus rate of heat conduction at x plus dx, y plus dy, z plus dz plus rate of heat generation inside the element equal to rate of change of energy content of the element. Meaning of each term in the equation: the first term in above equation represents the rate of heat energy coming into the element at xy and z planes. The second term represents the rate of heat energy coming out of the element at x plus dx, y plus dy and z plus dz plane. The third term represents the rate of heat generation inside the element. Heat generation: a medium conducting heat energy may involve the conversion of mechanical, electrical, nuclear or chemical energy into heat energy. For example, when a resistance wire conducts electric current, it converts electrical energy into heat energy at a rate of I squared R, where I is the current and R is the electrical resistance of the wire. Similarly, heat is generated in an exothermic chemical reaction in a medium. The reaction may be an endothermic reaction. In such a case, the heat generation term will become negative quantity. The rate of heat generation may vary with respect to time as well as position within the medium. When the variation with respect to position xy z is known, we can calculate the total rate of heat generation in a medium of volume V by total heat generation equal to integration of unit of heat generation into dV. If the rate of heat generation in the uniform throughout the medium, then the above equation will become net rate of heat generation, I mean capital E generation equal to small e generation into volume. Derivation of heat conduction equation: in above, the heat conduction through a medium is multidimensional. That is, heat transfer by conduction happen in all three xyz direction. Now we will develop the governing differential equation for heat conduction. Consider again the differential element of volume dV equal to dx dy dz in Cartesian coordinate system. Writing the mathematical form of the energy balance equation for the element: qx minus qx plus dx plus qy minus qy plus dy plus qz minus qz plus dz plus total heat generation equal to dE by dt. The rate of heat generation within the element, total heat generation equal to unit of heat generation into dx dy dz equal to unit of heat generation into unit of volume change, I mean dV. the rate of change of energy content of the element dE by dt equal to d by dt of rho dV ct, or dE by dt equal to rho dV c dt by dt. Qx minus Qx plus dx is equal to minus dou by dou x Qx into dx. Qx minus Qx plus dx equal to minus dou by dou x into minus k dy dz dou t by dou x dx. Qx minus Qx plus dx is equal to dou by dou x k by dou t by dou x dy dz dx. Similarly, y and z. Now plug in the above terms in the energy balance equation and divide the equation by dx dy dz. We will get dou by dou x k of dou t by dou x plus dou by dou y k dou t by dou y plus dou by dou z k dou t by dou z plus heat generation equal to rho c dou t by dou t. This is the general heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinates. Special cases. Steady state. Steady state refers to stable condition that does not change over time. Time variation of temperature is 0. Hence, dou by dou x k dou t by dou x plus dou by dou y k dou t by dou y plus dou by dou z k dou t by dou z plus internal heat generation equal to 0. Second condition, uniform properties. If the material is homogeneous and isentropic, the thermal conductivity of the material would be constant. Example, the value of the thermal conductivity at position x1, y1, z1 will be same as that at some other position x2, y2, z2. The term isentropic means the value physical properties at the point in different direction will be same. That is to say kx equal to ky equal to kz at any point. Finally, dou squared t by dou x squared plus dou squared t by dou y squared plus dou squared t by dou z squared plus internal heat generation divided by k equal to 0. This term simply written as del squared t equal to minus internal heat generation divided by thermal conductivity k. The above equation is known as Poisson equation. If no heat generation, when there is no heat generation inside the element, the differential heat conduction equation will become dou squared t by dou x squared plus dou squared t by dou y squared plus dou squared t by dou z squared equal to 0. Or it can be written as del squared t equal to 0. Condition, if one dimensional form of equation, if heat conduction in any one direction is in dominance over heat conduction in other direction, dou squared t by dou x squared equal to 0. Let conduction through single wall. Now we have to form the conduction of heat transfer for the plane wall. Okay, we know the Fourier law, Q is equal to Ka del T by L. Okay, conduction through single wall, this formula end form is Q is equal to del T by R. Hence R is nothing but thermal resistance, can be written as del X divided by Ka. The unit of thermal resistance is Kelvin per watt. Next, conduction to the composite wall. The composite wall is nothing but made of 3 different layers. Those layers are A, B, C. The heat is passing from layer A. Heat is leaving from the layer B. The temperature is falling down from the source, which is from layer A. Okay, the heat transfer for the layer A is equal to general formula for the heat transfer del T by R. Okay, for layer A, Q is equal to T1 minus T2 divided by del x divided by Ka A. Layer B, T2 minus T3 divided by del x Ka layer B. Similarly, T3 minus T4 del x divided by Ka layer C. These differences are constant for the heat transfer. Conduction through the composite wall, the end form is T1 minus T4 divided by del x divided by Ka A plus del x divided by Ka layer B plus del x divided by Ka layer C. Now we have discuss about the problem from plain wall. An industrial furnace wall is constructed of 21 cm thick fire clay brick having thermal conductivity K equal to 1.04 watt per meter Kelvin. This is covered on the outer surface with 3 cm layer of insulating material having K equal to 0.07 watt per meter Kelvin. The innermost surface is at 1000 degrees Celsius and the outermost surface is at 40 degrees Celsius. Calculate the steady state heat transfer per area. Solution. Q, we know the conduction heat transfer formula. Q is equal to del T by R. We have the two layer, so del T by R1 plus R2. Inside temperature minus outside temperature. For inside resistance fire clay, outside resistance are by the insulation. So Q is equal to inside temperature converted in Kelvin form 1273.15 minus 313.15 into area value is not given, divided by 0.21 by 1.04 plus 0.03 by 0.07. Finally finding the heat flux 1522.6. We want to reduce the heat loss in example 1 to 960 watt per meter square. What should be the insulation thickness? We start with the equation Q is equal to T in minus T out divided by del x divided by Ka fire clay, del x divided by Ka for insulation. Okay, finally inside temperature 1000, outside temperature 40 divided by del x thickness of the layer 0.21 divided by thermal conductivity 1.04 plus del x, the distance is not given, thermal conductivity for insulation 0.07. Find the end answer for the insulation thickness 5.6 cm. Thank you.